Welcome to Supertec Machines Private Limited, where innovation meets precision in HT power cable manufacturing. Presenting our advanced HT Sioplas triple-layer extrusion line, engineered for the production of high-quality HT power cables with exceptional insulation performance, reliability, and long-term durability. This advanced line is capable of manufacturing HT Sioplas power cables up to 11 kilovolts, 22 kilovolts, and 33 kilovolts, meeting the demanding requirements of modern power transmission and distribution networks. The process begins with the portal type payoff, DIN size 2600, ensuring smooth and controlled conductor feeding throughout the production line. The conductor then passes through the 6+6+2 caterpillar system, providing stable tension control and precise line movement. At the heart of the line are three high-performance 80 plus 120 plus 100 mm all-movable extruders, specially designed for HT Sioplas cable production. These extruders work together to deliver accurate layer distribution, superior insulation quality, and consistent manufacturing performance. The material is then processed through the advanced Sioplas triple-layer crosshead, designed to achieve excellent insulation centricity, uniform layer distribution, and superior cable quality, critical requirements in HT power cable manufacturing. For effective cooling and curing, the cable passes through a 40-meter water trough, followed by dual hot water tanks, ensuring optimal insulation properties and enhanced cable performance. The cable then moves through the air wiper system, removing excess moisture before entering the quality control stage. To maintain production accuracy, the line is equipped with a diameter control gauge and counter meter, ensuring precise dimensional control and consistent manufacturing standards. The finished cable is then pulled through another 6+6+2 caterpillar system for smooth handling and controlled movement. Finally, the cable is collected on the portal type take-up DIN size 2600, completing a highly efficient and reliable HT Sioplas cable manufacturing process designed for precision, productivity,